You wouldn't believe the number of consultations I had to attend to solve my hair loss issues. I was so thankful to come across GLOJAS and meet Datuk Dr. Jess G.
I went on Google and searched for the best hair doctor, and I found out that Datuk Dr. Jess is the #1 hair doctor in Malaysia because it's the only Malaysian hair transplant doctor with a fellowship from the ISHRS. Like, no joke, he is the only doctor in Malaysia who has that.
You can never have the type of result like Dr. Jess can give you. If you're looking for a hair transplant procedure, there is no better place than GLOJAS.
Thank you very much also for Dr. Dato. He is the one lead his staffs to perform the activities and to do the treatment for me. So I am very happy for what they did.